What's up, everybody? Andrew here with another video. I'm here with Franco. How you doing, Franco?
What up? I'm doing great.
We're gonna do a walkthrough of this thing right behind us. It is a co-living Airbnb apartment building, and as you can see, it goes up 3 floors.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do a walkthrough, and you're gonna want to stick until the end of the video because we're gonna do a walkthrough of the neighborhood of Manila and why this is such a great vibe. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, Franco, let's walk up
All right,
these
let's do it.
steps. Go up in here. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna hold the door open because it's heavy. You go
Yeah,
ahead.
this is a pretty heavy door. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
this looks
look
very
at
cool.
this. This is amazing.
Wow.
Huh? Check it
Yeah,
out.
this is cool. Like it. So this is a little living area here, and it's got a balcony over there.
It does. Go
Yeah,
ahead first.
Go ahead first. All right. It overlooks the area that we were just down at.
Yeah. Nice little view of Manila.
Yeah.
You get to see the action.
Yep.
All right,
That's
let's go
great.
back. So yes, like you were saying, this is the living area, the common area. Got a separate common area to the
Yeah.
right,
So it's
right behind
basically
you.
2 floors right now,
It is 2 floors.
and then there's rooms back here.
Yes, there is rooms back here. So in total, there are 8 rooms in here. Each of them have AC and a full bath as well.
Okay.
And we're gonna go check out one of them right now that's not occupied.
Yeah, because the occupancy rate here is 95%.
That is correct.
So we can't see all of them. Actually, the person that's going to rent this one is here already, so we got to do this quick.
Yeah. So wow, look at this. The AC is on right now, by the way, guys, and it
Feels
feels
super cool.
amazing. Yes. Turn this light on, and yeah, here is the full bath. Go ahead and check it out.
All right. Yeah, very modern design. It's very kept up really well.
Yeah, it is.
Obviously, the owner wants to sell this because he's got another project that he wants to work on
That's
with him
correct.
and his business partner. This is owned by 2 French guys. Definitely worth the investment. So there's more rooms. Obviously, we can't see them all because
No,
they're
all
completely
occupied.
booked.
Yeah, they're always
all
booked
closed.
here.
Yeah, this is always booked. If you know
Yeah.
anything about Manila, you know why this is always booked.
And another thing on this first floor, we didn't see it because it's currently being used, but
Oh,
there
yeah,
is a
over here.
private co-working
space.
in there.
Yeah, there it is.
So if you need privacy for a work call, meeting, whatever,
Yep,
you can definitely use that.
yep,
So let's head upstairs to the 2nd floor,
yep.
and we'll run into more space up here, more co-working space.
Oh yeah, this is cool.
So this is amazing. Definitely would get some work done here, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is great.
So this goes into the kitchen, full working kitchen. You got your oven, microwave,
2 sinks.
2 refrigerators, 2 sinks, 2 stoves, gas stoves, more dining area space, and another balcony. We can go check it out over here.
Oh, great.
That, you get a better view of the Manila streets here, which is, it's really nice up here, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, this one is zoned commercial, so that means that you could do daily rentals here. But I was speaking to the owner that most people actually rent out for longer than just daily. They do monthlies a lot because it is a great place to stay, and obviously it's a Manila neighborhood, more residential, more longer term, digital nomad type people live here. Alrighty, now let's go check out the neighborhood.
Let's do it. Let's go check it out.
Franco, we are walking through the neighborhood here.
Yes.
Tell me, what is so great about Manila?
First of all, it's flat. You could probably see in today's video that it's very walkable. It's flat. There's no hills. Also, there's so many great cafes and restaurants, and the vibes are amazing. It's kind of like a little bit Colombian neighborhood, but you can tell that it's progressing with all the new restaurants and cafes and co-workings that are popping up as well.
All right, Franco, tell us, what are we walking through here?
So this is the area called La Buena Mesa, and basically it's just all the restaurants. You got bars here, cafes, some really noticeable restaurants like Olivia, great pizza there. You got a great bar that plays like good rock music as well. And another famous kind of cafe, Ganto y Castro. So a lot of good places to choose from if you want to work, eat, meet with friends, and hang out.
I also noticed that there's a ton of noise over here.
Yes.
What's going on here?
Another noise, yeah. Well, there's a lot going on. You got construction on this corner, on that corner, on this corner, and soon possibly on this corner as well.
If you're looking to buy an apartment in Medellin, make sure to click on the link in the description, fill out the form. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now back to the walkthrough of Manila. The beautiful thing about this as far as investment purposes is the return on investment and the appreciation.
So the average appreciation here in Manila is from 10 to 15%. And your return on investment ideal for short-term rentals are from 6 to 16%.
If you buy something that needs to be fixed up, your return's probably going to be better. Appreciation will be better because you're buying cheaper. And also depends on how you manage that construction. If you're brand new to construction, make sure you go through someone like ourselves. We've been doing remodels and construction out here for many years. Or you might just want something more turnkey with a lower ROI, but just less hassle, less headaches, and less time, right?
And if you need help with property management, we can offer those services as well.
That's right. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't know is that Manila is well known for a particular Spanish school.
Yes,
where
that's
a lot
right.
of people come to immerse themselves in Spanish when they want to learn, and it's right on this corner.
Yeah.
Do you know the name of this?
Yes, it's called Blink.
Yeah,
Blink Spanish. School.
We have no affiliation with them, but a lot of people know them. A lot of people come down. As you can see, you've got a lot of foreigners walking around and a lot of locals walking around as well.
Yeah.
So it's a very good place to immerse yourself in Spanish. Let's keep walking. There's more construction up here. So
More
literally,
construction.
as we've walked by, we've seen at least 5 different construction sites
That's right.
and improvements to the city, or to the sidewalk.
To the sidewalks, yes.
Yeah. So here's another Gutierrez group. If you know construction in Medellin, you probably know who the Gutierrez brothers are.
Yeah.
And they are building this building here called The Cut. Looks awesome. They do a great
looks
job,
awesome.
by the way. Any project by the Gutierrez group that I've seen is spectacular.
Yeah.
And this one looks like it's going to be a pretty big one.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be 3 towers.
But look how
That's
deep it
gonna be
goes over there.
amazing. Yeah, it goes on to the other side because there's another street back.
And rumor has it, Franco, that a very famous person has invested into The Cut.
Right, yes. Medellin's very own Maluma has been invested into this property.
Yeah, and this is actually really big because it spans like a whole entire block. And I'm not talking about like an American block. I'm talking about a Colombian block. Which goes way down that way. So it's a pretty big project.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep walking down, see what else we find here. So a lot of people scream gentrification, and I have a whole other video on this, by the way, where gentrification is basically kind of a myth. Foreign investment, foreign influence obviously plays a part in the betterment of a neighborhood like this one, for example.
Yeah.
This is a prime example of a neighborhood that was already gentrified. I mean, El Poblado is gentrified to Colombians since the 1980s. It's been the Beverly Hills to live on. So people that lived here were already more well off than a regular Colombian. So it's not like you're kicking out poor Colombians. Colombians that lived here have made money. Obviously, as you can see, everything here is Colombian owned, including the Gutierrez brothers are Colombian. So it's not like you're kicking out poor people to make a place more expensive. The cost of construction and the cost of apartments has gone up due to 2 things. Number 1 is the shortage of construction. After the pandemic, there was less construction because obviously materials got more expensive, cost of labor got more expensive, and also they just couldn't build during the pandemic. So after the pandemic, that was a trickle effect. Number 2 is for the scarcity of land and available apartments. So a lot of people could say, well, can't you just build on top of the stuff that's already built? The problem is that a lot of the stuff that's already built doesn't have water, doesn't have sewage. So there's a shortage and there's a high demand. So that plus foreign influence in certain neighborhoods, for example, like this one, not all over the city, just basically here in El Poblado and some of Laureles, although Laureles is still not like El Poblado, has influenced prices. And that's why we see a lot of these places that are for sale, because those are owned by Colombians and they want to cash out. There's another Gutierrez brothers building over there. But as you can see, this is a beautiful neighborhood.
Yeah,
Franco,
it's amazing.
What should someone do if they're interested in buying a property in Medellin?
If you're interested in buying a property in Medellin and you're ready within the next 2 months, click the link in the description, fill out the form. It's quick, it's easy, and someone on our team will reach out to you.
All right, that's it for this video, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Laters.